the professional video world is currently holding its breath. For the last 5 years, the Sony FX3 has been the gold standard for everything from Netflix documentaries to high-end YouTube sets. It was the perfect camera, compact, reliable, and practically magical in low light. But as of February 2026, the silence from Sony's headquarters in Tokyo has become deafening. The leaks are no longer just whispers, they are a flood. Internal shipping manifests and leaked firmware debug logs for a device codenamed Project Venice Mini have confirmed what we all feared. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The original FX3 is about to be replaced by a beast that redefines what a compact cinema camera can actually do. If you are a filmmaker, a wedding videographer, or a content creator thinking about buying an FX3 or an A7S III today, stop. You need to hear this. Because the information coming out of the February supply chain report suggests that Sony is moving away from the safe 12-bit sensor and jumping into a territory that should be impossible for a camera this small. We are talking about 8K internal recording, the death of the rolling shutter, and a feature from the $25,000 Sony Burano that is finally making its way down to the palm of your hand. In this video, we are going to strip back the layers of the Sony FX3 II. I've spent weeks cross-referencing patent filings for integrated electronic NDs, analyzing the heat-sink schematics of the 2026 cinema line, and decoding the truth behind the global shutter rumors that have the industry in a panic. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when the pre-orders open, the shocking price jump Sony is planning for the US market, and the one missing feature that might make you skip the FX3 II entirely and wait for the FX6 Mark II. Let's dive into the core of the controversy, the sensor. For the last 5 years, the 12.1 megapixel sensor has been the king of the night. But in 2026, 4K is no longer the future, it's the bare minimum. The leaks confirm that Sony is testing 2 prototypes for the FX3 II. The first is a 12.2 megapixel stacked sensor with a global shutter, similar to the Sony A9 III. This would eliminate rolling shutter entirely. No more jello effect when you're panning fast or shooting handheld on a moving vehicle. But the second prototype, the one that appeared in a leaked internal benchmark just 4 days ago, is a 24.2 megapixel 6K sensor. Why 6K? Because of open gate. Professional filmmakers have been begging for the ability to use the full sensor area for anamorphic lenses and for vertical safe shooting. If the FX3 II launches with this 6K 3:2 open gate sensor, it doesn't just replace the FX3, it effectively kills the entry-level cinema market for everyone else. But how do you keep a 6K sensor cool in a body that fits in your hand? This brings us to the most significant design change in the February 2026 leaks. The active flow chassis. The original FX3 had a fan, but it was limited. The FX3 II reportedly features a larger, redesigned intake vent on the left side, using a new ceramic bearing fan that is 40% quieter but moves twice the air. Sony is aiming for unlimited 8K recording. No overheating, even in the 100-degree heat of a summer wedding in Texas. If they pull this off, the FX3 II becomes the most reliable workhorse in history. But there is a secret weapon buried in the handle. The 32-bit float revolution. According to a leaked accessory list for the Spring 2026 cinema event, the new